What's the meaning of ball breaker? Ball breaker. Ball breaker.
Ball breaker. Ball breaker. The term ball breaker is a slang phrase that is usually used to describe a person, often a woman, who is perceived as being very demanding, strict, and hard to please. The term is often considered vulgar and offensive, as it implies a physical act of emasculation. It's important to note that the term is gender-biased and reinforces negative stereotypes about women in positions of authority. The use of this term can contribute to a hostile work environment. If you encounter someone who uses this term or other derogatory language, it's important to speak up and address the issue to ensure a respectful and inclusive workplace culture.